Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Watch Dogs. Legion error. The game services are not available. The error reads, "The game services are not available. Please try again later." As per our research, the error comes when players try to go online in Watch Dogs Legion. Many users shared that they are unable to connect to the online mode and keep receiving this message. According to our research, this error could be due to server issues, anti-cheat problems, or network settings blocking the connection. In some cases, it may also be linked to game progression. First, try to verify the game files and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then try reinstalling the anti-cheat software that comes with the game. After reinstalling it, try launching the game again and check for the error. If you still have the error, then check if your firewall or router is blocking the game. If so, allow the game through your firewall and make sure the required ports are open. Also, some users have shared that the error went away after progressing further in the game. So try completing the next mission or so, and then check if you can access online mode. If the error still comes, then the servers might be down for maintenance. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.